Hello, everyone. This is spiritual teacher, intuitive healer Matthew John here. And I don't normally do reaction videos, but this is just way too good to pass up for someone in my position. A psychic went live on Fox News and drew cards to predict Trump and Biden's 2024 future. I cannot believe it, but yes, tarot is making it so far into the mainstream now that it's literally prime time on Fox News. All right, so here we go. This is the Jesse Waters prime time, some prime time show on Fox News. This lady is Paula Roberts. She's known as the English psychic. I don't really know anything about her. I don't know if she's good or not. She's from Manhattan. That's all I saw on Google. So she's going to pick one card for Trump for Trump's 2024. And what does she get? Oh no! Oh no! It's a five of cups.
There is.
And she's going to try to sugarcoat it here. She says that she realizes she's on Fox TV.
Nice that I'm actually on TV. A sense of loss.
A sense of loss instead of a loss. Come on, Paula. He's going to lose. Okay, that's what it means.
It's as if he may be thinking more about what he's lost.
She tries to say, "Oh, he's thinking too much about his 2020 loss." So that was his one card, her one card for Trump. Five of Cups, not good. Hey, I could have told you that Fox News already. Okay, check out my 2024 predictions video. The link is below. It's pretty clear to me Joe Biden is going to be reelected. Okay, now she's going to pick a card for Joe Biden. Let's see what she picks.
Let's look at.
All right, here's a card for Biden.
Joe Biden. Lots and lots.
Wow, the Knight of Pentacles. Oh my God. She tries to spin it as lots of money. And of course, Jesse Waters with the quip, "Oh, from China." So come on, Paula. We know what this means. He's going to win. Okay, he's going to win the election. It's pretty cut and dry here. But of course, she's on Fox News, so she's got to try to spin it to the Fox audience. And then she does a reading for Jesse Waters. And look, I don't have skin in the game here. Okay, I always vote third party. I won't be voting for Trump or Biden in this election either. Okay, so but look, I just find this so amusing. And two main points with this. One is, wow, our time's changing. And yes, tarot is so mainstream that it's making its way onto primetime television. And two, Trump is going to lose to Biden. That's completely clear from my psychic perspective. Comment below. What do you think? Are you excited to see tarot now in the mainstream? But hey, Fox News, CNN, MSNBC, you want a psychic that's the real deal that can predict world events? Holla at your boy here. Okay, but here's what I'm going to need. I'm going to need a first-class ticket on JetBlue. I'm going to need a room at the Plaza. I'm going to need Knicks tickets, and I don't mean 300 level. I mean 100 level Knicks tickets, two of them, and a $50 gift certificate to Famous Original Rays, and, of course, an appearance fee for my time. But, hey, my email's in the description box below. And, hey, if you want to learn the tarot for real so you can be like the English psychic and end up on Fox News, I teach the tarot on Saturdays, and it's not too late to join. It's a 15-week course. And by the end of the course, you can have a certification of completing 45 hours of study with me under my company, under my guidance. And you can put that on your wall if you want to have an office, or you can just have it as a keepsake. But I have churned out several professionals over the years of doing this course. It is by far the most in-depth and comprehensive tarot reading course on the internet. That's why it's called the Comprehensive Tarot Reading Course. Okay, so if you want to learn the tarot the right way, the real way, we go into every nook and cranny, every detail of the tarot, all the astrological connections, all the numerological connections, reading pairings, reading trios, all sorts of spreads. Why is it that the tarot is 90% intuition, but you really need to learn all of the symbols in order to fully be able to understand the language that the tarot is trying to speak to you? So join the course. All the details are in the description box below. It's not too late. If you're jumping in late, it's totally fine. You only need to complete 10 of the 15 classes to graduate. There's no time limit to graduate. Okay, you can take 6 months after we finish the course to finish up. You get a free 45-minute personal session with me over Zoom where we're going to go over the course, and also I'm going to do some tarot reading for you. And also, you don't need to do the classes in order. So you can do the classes out of order at your own pace.
All right, everyone. This has been Spiritual Teacher and Tutor for Matthew John. I hope you enjoyed this. Okay. Have a great night.